In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoDS for Shopify dropshipping. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, connect your store, find winning products, optimize listings with AI, automate orders, and track performance. Start by creating your AutoDS account. Head to the AutoDS website and sign up using either your Google account or a manual email registration. When prompted, choose Shopify as your selling platform. You'll see several pricing plans: Import 200, Starter 500, Advanced 1K, and Premium. The Starter 500 plan is a great place to begin because it includes price and stock monitoring to help prevent overselling out-of-stock items. Enter your payment details to complete the sign-up. Next, connect AutoDS to your Shopify store. Click Add Store, select I have a Shopify store, and log in if needed. Click Install to approve the connection and confirm. Your Shopify store is now linked to AutoDS. To find products, open the Marketplace from the left sidebar. Use filters like shipping location, category, subcategory, and best sellers. For faster delivery, you might choose United States shipping and a niche like home and garden. Open a product to review its ratings, reviews, shipping, and processing times. If it looks good, click Import Draft to add it to your drafts. Now optimize your listing with AI. Go to Drafts, select the product, and use AutoDS AI tools to refine the title and description. You can pick styles such as professional, sellable, funny, or social media optimized. Click AI Write, save your content, and then click Import to send the product to Shopify. You can also import from Amazon. Find a product that fits your niche, copy its URL, then in AutoDS click Add Products, choose single product, paste the link, and click Edit Now. Optimize as needed and enable stock and price monitoring so your store updates if the supplier changes the price or goes out of stock. Click Save and Import. Repeat the process with AliExpress. Set the shipping country to your target market, copy the product link, add it to AutoDS, and choose a shipping method such as cheapest, cheapest with tracking, or fastest with tracking. Enable stock and price monitoring, then save and import. In Shopify, go to Products to review and preview your imported listings. AutoDS brings in images, descriptions, pricing, and profit margins automatically. Customize your store's look under Online Store, then Themes. Click Add Theme, visit the Shopify theme store, choose a theme you like, click Try Theme, and publish. The craft theme is a popular free option. When orders come in, AutoDS can fulfill them automatically. Open the order section and use auto order credits for fast, hands-off processing. You can purchase additional credits later. Finally, monitor everything from the AutoDS dashboard, including orders, revenue, profit, product performance, and new products. This overview helps you make smarter decisions faster. AutoDS streamlines product importing, price monitoring, inventory tracking, and order fulfillment, saving hours each week and making Shopify dropshipping far easier to manage. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.